Hi, you're with Mike Redding from Google Apps for edu.com. Today I want to just give you a real quick Google News update. It's been a couple of weeks since our last news update, but we've been really focused on the new Google Apps for Education community, which is just launching in a couple of weeks' time. We're really excited about the launch, and if you'd like some more information, you can head over to GAF Community, so that's G-A-F-E, and then community.com. Well, in today's news update, there's a couple of great new announcements we've got. Firstly, Google Chromebooks have been released mostly around the world now. They've been a little bit hard to come by, and some people have said that they're a little bit expensive, but there are already thousands of students using them right now, and so we're looking forward to seeing some great data about how these are being used in the classroom and making a difference with education. We're holding a Google Apps for Education community launch in a couple of weeks' time, and at that launch we'll be spending a bit of time at Google playing with the Chromebooks and seeing how teachers are using them. So hopefully I'll have some more information to report back to you in the next news release. Last week or the week before, Google released Google Keep. When you're thinking about Google Keep, just think Evernote, but a Google version of it. If you're wanting, you can search YouTube for some of the videos that Google have released about Google Keep, and you can see how it might work and whether or not that might be a great tool for you to use. One of the other great tools that have been released and updated is the revision history inside Google Docs. If you have a look at the revision history now, what you'll see is that there is different colours in that revision history, and there are lines through text that has been deleted and so on. So this has been a great addition to the Google Docs, and we love it how it just helps us see what students have done, what work, and who's contributed, and so on. We've also had an announcement that Google Cloud Connect is being retired. The reason for this is that we now have offline docs inside Google Drive. Google Cloud Connect was just a tool that you could use to connect your Microsoft Office documents with your Google Drive. But obviously now with offline documents, Cloud Connect is no longer needed, and so that will be retired in the next couple of weeks. So if you have Google Cloud Connect installed on your Microsoft Office software, you'll notice that that functionality will be lost quite soon. There's also a huge amount of talk around the internet about the Google Reader going away. There are lots of great options out there and other tools that you might want to check out, but one tool I've seen some people use quite effectively is a tool called If This Then That. I suggest you maybe do a Google search on that, and you can have a look at it and use that as a newsreader aggregator for you. So check that one out when you get a chance. And lastly, Google Glass has just been released, and they're now doing a short demo run of those. There's been some Google certified teachers and trainers in America who have been selected to trial this product. We're really unfortunate in Australia not to have that opportunity, but I'm really looking forward to hearing how some of our fellow Google certified teachers and trainers are using the Google Glass technology in the classroom. I can't wait to find out how this is going to radically change how we interact with our students and how our students interact with information. And so really looking forward to that, and I can't wait till we can get our hands on them over here in Australia as well. Well, that's it for the Google News update this time. If you want more tips and tricks, we'd love you to head over to our website, which is googleapps4edu.com. Thanks for watching.